Do you want to delete your all Facebook posts in just one click? So don't worry, you are on the right place because in this video I'm just going to teach you how you can easily delete your all Facebook posts in just one click. So do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Facebook account and go to your profile and then click on these three dots and then click on activity log and post, and then on the very top you see the option of your posts. Just click on manage your posts and then by clicking on these three dots you can specifically just move one post to trash, or by clicking on this checkbox I have just one post, you can click on multiple posts to move to trash, or if you want to delete all of your posts just click on this all and then just click on trash to move them to trash. This is how you can easily delete your all posts on Facebook. Thanks to watch the video. If you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.